or whom?
Hey guys, I'm Kerry. Welcome to my channel, Get Grammarous, where you learn English without the headache. In this video, you will learn the difference between who and whom. So, without further ado, let's get grammarous. Let's start with who.
The word who can only be used when it is the subject of a verb.
What is the subject of a verb?
Verbs are doing words. For example, to cry, to clap, to hate, to dance, to shout.
The subject of a verb is the person or thing that is doing the action. For example,
the baby cries because he is hungry. The baby is the subject of the verb to cry. Another example. Our boss always shouts at us.
Shut up!
Our boss is the subject of the verb to shout.
Who is the subject of a verb? If you don't know what that means, it just means that it is like the words
I, he, she, we, and they. Just like who, these words are used as subjects. Here are some examples of subject pronouns.
a neat trick for spotting who.
Substitute who with the word he.
If that part of the sentence still makes sense, then who is almost certainly correct.
For example, who ordered the pizza? He ordered the pizza. He sounds okay. Therefore, who is correct?
Correct!
Another example. I wonder who is responsible for the accident. He is responsible sounds okay. Therefore, who is correct?
This trick can be used with plurals too. In such an instance, just substitute who with the word they.
I met the people who were at the restaurant. They were at the restaurant is okay. Therefore, who is correct? Another example. He gave the money to who? As gave the money to he sounds wrong, who must be wrong? It should be he gave the money to whom? Whom?
Whom is never the subject of a verb.
Whom is like him, her, and them because it is never the subject of a verb. Whom is an object. For example, the goalkeeper kicked the ball to whom? To whom did the goalkeeper kick the ball? The goalkeeper is the subject of kicked. Who is not the subject of any verb. Therefore, we cannot use who. It should be whom. A neat trick for spotting whom. Substitute whom with the word him or them for plurals.
If that part of the sentence still makes sense, then whom is almost certainly correct. For example,
the goalkeeper kicked the ball to whom? The goalkeeper kicked the ball to him. Mr. Watkinson gave riding lessons to whom? Mr. Watkinson gave riding lessons to him, her, sounds okay. Therefore, whom must be correct. In the race were 5 children, one of whom was a girl. As one of them sounds okay, whom is correct. Let's practice. Whom is hosting tonight's Jeopardy? Which one is the answer? Let's substitute. Let's substitute with subject and object pronouns. He, him is hosting tonight's Jeopardy. He is the subject of the verb to host. Therefore, who is hosting tonight's Jeopardy is the answer. Who is the subject of the verb to host? I wonder whom is today's chef. Let's substitute. Let's replace the words. I wonder if he, him is today's chef. He is the subject of the verb to be, that is, who is. Therefore, I wonder who is today's chef is the answer. Do you know the lady who operates the flower shop? Do you know the lady? She, her operates the flower shop. Which one sounds correct? She or her? She is the subject of operates. Therefore, the answer is, do you know the lady who operates the flower shop? Who is the subject of operates? Whom did she visit at the hospital? For this sentence, we have to answer the question. Let's reply. She visited her at the hospital. So the answer is, whom did she visit at the hospital? Reply. She visited her at the hospital. Who did she give a stern warning? She gave him a stern warning. When we substitute, which one sounds okay? He or him? The answer is, whom did she give a stern warning?
Now that you've learned the difference between who and whom, let's see how well you understand the concepts. Let's go!
Time is up.
And here are the answers. And if you still don't understand, what should you do? Use who. Why? Firstly, it is much more common than the usage of whom, so there's a greater possibility that the answer is in fact who. Secondly, the use of whom is believed to be on its last legs in English. So it's possible that in a number of years, whom will be a thing of the past in the English lexicon, which really would be one less headache for us to worry about. Yes. And we're finished. Thank you for joining me. I'm sorry. I'm sweating. The heat is so crazy here in Japan. It's insane. But thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video regardless. And yeah, if you did, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, it's Kerry reminding you to stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye. Mwah.